Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you guys? I hope everyone is doing good. And yeah, I'm back with a brand new video, and today's video is all about creating and achieving a very simple makeup look within 10 minutes. So yeah, this is the look that I've created, and it's very simple and very appropriate for office or college or work. So yeah, you can achieve this look within 10 minutes. I've created this and very simple base. Here basically I've worked more on the base and less with the makeup, so the natural skin is what is showcased more and in a much better way. If you like watching such kind of videos and you also want to create a very simple and subtle makeup look for your office or work or college within 10 minutes, then please do watch this video till the end. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's begin. So guys, I'll be using the very basic products, and these are very affordable. So these are the products that I'm going to use. So here is my bare skin. So I have just washed my face and not applied anything on the face, and it's feeling really dry. So to moisturize my skin, I'm first going to spray my face with this toner from Pilgrim. It's so good, and this I got from Smytten. You can see my recent shots, so all the products will be mentioned over there, and you can see that it has already made a huge difference to the face, and it's feeling so refreshed now. So by the time this toner gets absorbed into the skin, I'm also going to apply this lip oil. And yeah guys, the best part about it is it doesn't feel sticky at all, and it gets absorbed into the lips really quickly. I'll wait till I apply my lipstick for it to get completely absorbed. By now the toner has almost got absorbed into the skin. I'm just patting it with the help of my fingers for it to get completely absorbed. And guys, here comes my favorite part of the skincare. So here I'm taking this face oil by Tijori. This also I got from Smytten, and very little I'm taking on my palm, rubbing it between my palms and applying it all over my face. And guys, trust me, this has made a huge difference to my skin already. It's been almost 3 to 4 days that I'm using this. It feels so good to use this. Do let me know if you want me to make a separate tutorial on this particular product. I'll be more than happy to do. And also, once I apply the face oil on the face, I'm gently giving it a massage so that it gets completely absorbed into the skin and also helps in blood circulation. Now I'm taking this moisturizer by Soulflower, and this is a gel based moisturizer, again really good product. This also I got from Smytten, and applying it all over my face just that my skin keeps moisturized, because guys, my skin becomes dry at times, and yeah, this helps to keep my skin very hydrated. So yeah, you can already see that glow on the face. Next I'm going with this sunscreen by Biore UV. You already know that this is my most favorite sunscreen. It's water based sunscreen, so it's really good, leaves no white cast, and yeah, it gets absorbed into the skin really well. I'm taking very little of this because I don't need much of that, and rubbing it again between my palms and applying it all over my face. There you go, my skincare is already done, and I'm already loving the base, and it looks so glowy and so shiny already. So I'm not applying any foundation or a concealer whatsoever, and I'm just taking this loose powder from Maybelline. I'm in the shade medium deep, and with the help of this foundation brush, I'm just applying it on the places where I do get oily within the day. And I really love this Maybelline loose powder because it's so finely milled, and it also gets absorbed into the skin really well. Next I'm applying this kajal. If you follow me from long, you already know that I cannot live without kajal. It's my most favorite, and yeah, I love this kajal from Zudio. It gives a really nice intense color. And yeah, for lipstick I have 4 options. So after a lot of thinking I have gone ahead with this one, which is a pink mauve lipstick. It's really nice and very creamy, doesn't dry out the lips at all, and yeah, it's perfect for day wear, for office wear. Next I'm taking this lip and cheek tint from Love Earth, taking a little bit on my finger and just applying it on my cheeks, and also a little bit on the nose just for that flush of color. So yeah, next step is just blend. I just love this process of blending the lip and cheek tint, guys. It just feels so therapeutic to me, and I feel so good after doing this. So yeah, you can see that I have already done my hair and everything off camera, and yeah, now I'm wearing a watch and I'm already ready. You can already see that there's a lot of difference that little bit of skincare does to the face and to the overall look. you like this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and also do consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, I'll be coming with more such videos and more such content. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, bye.